Hello everyone, I am Chase, Rocky Mountain ATVMC, coming at you with another giveaway for the month of July. Alright, it is my favorite time of the month. It is time to announce for July our giveaway. Now for this month, we are giving away to one lucky winner a set of our Tusk Compact Camp Chairs. We're giving away a large as well as a medium. If you've never used one of these, they are awesome. They're super lightweight, they're easy to pack, they're made from 600 denier, also 70-75 aluminum. They are very easy to assemble and take down. So you can take them camping, you can take them on a UTV ride, dual sport adventure riding. Heck, I even take mine to the local track. Now you're probably wondering, what do you need to do to enter to win? Well, it's very simple. All you gotta do is be subscribed to us on YouTube and then comment below and let us know where you're gonna take these camping first. After that, you're gonna be automatically entered to win. Now, a couple things you do wanna keep in mind. You gotta be 18 years or older, and this contest is gonna run from July 6th through the 13th, after which we'll select our one lucky winner on July 16th. So make sure to check back to see if you have been selected. Other than that, that's all you gotta do. Now, one more time from all of us at Rocky Mountain, thank you so much for supporting us. We wish you luck, and we'll see you next time.